The first battle begins. Not now, but right now. Okay, who's gonna go first?
It's been a long time.
Let's go. Everybody clap.
How many big shows you slept through? Time's up.
Wait, hold on. Let me see if I can do this. Alright, can I get my judges to the stage? We got Daryl representing Orange County as our first judge. And can I get Steven in the house? Where's Coach Steven? Oh, you're gonna give us the baby chairs, bro? I'm gonna take the stool right here. Hold on. And the third judge is none other than myself. Woo! All right, let's get it. DJ. Who's gonna start off the battle?
I shouldn't have left you without a strong mind to step to. How many big shows you slept through? Time's up. I'm sorry I get it.
All right, we are time to battle. Don't waste any time, guys.
Solo with suit, sit by the radio and without saying that you heard it.
All right, we got Mr. Fresh himself, Freddie Fresco.
It's a full day when it's hard to control your body to dance. So, that takes a tempo out the road. Reach your reflex and let it.
Let's go, Freddie.
It's just playing, you can't be stopped.
Oh! Windmill.
Like I was in when I'm writing on track.
Oh, that.
I escape when I finish the rhyme. I got soul.
All right, we got Brooke Skills. Oh, signature step. Not done yet.
It's your mind. The stage is empty. A thing like this might tempt me to show my hands in my back.
Oh, he's rocking.
Grab the mic like I'm on so trained, but I'm weak. Cause I mastered this. Let the others go first so the brothers won't miss. And we break the sticks.
Hey, let's go.
Like a scientist, you wanna rhyme, you got science.
Too smooth. And we got
So if you ain't got it, I'ma make it.
Asgard.
Take the mic, let the people respond.
Let's go, Asgard.
Cause that's the way it have to be. If you wanna get on after me.
Oh, Tasha.
And don't waste your time. Cause I'll be in the crowd if you ain't controlling it. Drop the mic, you shouldn't be holding it. This is how it should be done.
Oh, it's a freeze.
I'm trying to make it sound like this, but you're getting me. So upset that I'm wet.
Come in,
I'm screaming at the microphone thing. Beat up to MC is my thing. I get hype.
all right, we got Jack Styles on the microphone. What you got, Jack Styles? Go to style. Hey, Thunder Cookies represent. the chair breeze. Getting in their face. Alright, we got J-Jack. Oh, that's a member of Thunder Cookie. Show them that energy, J-Jack. Go J-Jack. Oh, Blair. Powerful style. Oh, the flip. Way too great. We got Emilio with the flow. Oh, he doesn't even hit high. Oh, pizza style. Backspin. We got about 5 minutes left in our battle. No holding back. Newest member of Thunder Cookie, show what you got, Will. Show me style. Smooth. Go, Will, turn it up. Oh, with the burn. Windmill. Go, Will. Oh. More flip. Dylan, wait to him. Show what you got, Dylan. Oh, crazy spin. Let's go. With the hip-hop, make it look easy. Oh, you said I got that good. Oh, nasty. With the commando, let's go. We got people in E-line. This kid dripping on the side. Hey, let's go, E-line. Show them that eye of the tiger, Freddy. Oh! Smooth. Nice. One more round, each crew. One more round, each crew. All right. What you got, little skill? Last round for Thunder Cookie. Let's go. Hey. Oh, girls. Looking nice. Nice. To the chair. No holding back. Right. Final round of the battle. We got Max now. Representing Fresh Kids. Show what you got. Your best round. right. With that, we are going to defer to our judges. Judges. Who is going to move on to face on 3 in the finals? Will it be the Fresh Kids or will it be Thunder Cookies? Hold up. Real quick, before the judges decide, I want to hear what the crowd thinks. Okay? Hold on. I'm gonna let y'all know. So, if you guys want North LA to move on, make some noise. We got a lot of support for North LA. If you guys want Long Beach to move on, make some noise. Oh. That is something else. That's that crowd support. All right. Are we ready, judges? On the count of 3, we're going to point to which crew is moving on to the finals. In 3, 2, 1. Show some love to all 3.